Think about it, hours of setup waiting for renders or just one picture in a few seconds to get an amazing animation. Hi there, this is Nice Tower and every week I share exciting SketchUp tutorials with you. Today we are gonna explore an amazing AI plugin called SUAPP AI. You just give it one or two images and it will create a stunning animation for you. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Now let's dive in and see how it works. So first of all, let me tell you how and from where we can get this AI plugin. On Google, search nicetowers.com. Here is Nice Towers website. Come down and here just click on SUAPP AI button. Here is some information about SUAPP AI and here we have some tutorials. You can watch them. Now just click on SUAPP AI button. As you can see, here is SUAPP AI website. For download the plugins, come here and click on download. Here, as you see, we have all of the options of the SUAPP AI. Today, we will work with SUAPP AI. For download that, just click here, SUAPP AI for SketchUp. So after install the SUAPP AI plugins, you can find it here, SUAPP AI, right here, click here. As you see, I have all of the options of the SUAPP AI right now. And today we will work with SUAPP AI. Click on it. This is the SUAPP AI window. That's so simple and easy. It's not difficult. We have some options right here. Image to video, video filter, and my creations. And also here we can drag an image or click to upload an image. And a snapshot, you can take a screenshot of your model like this. So I don't want to do it right now. And here, history, you can see what you have already done. So, and here we have some more options like animation mode, style, description, camera movement, animation intensity, and this is the create button. Well, as you can see, I prepared these photos to use in today's tutorial and create an engaging tutorial. And some of them are one render from two different angles, like this one, front and right corner. Animation mode is so important because there is 4 different modes and they do different work. For example, scene motion, it works with 2 frames. It works with 2 frames, first frame and end frame. Moves this scene between 2 images to make the animation look nice. Focuses on making the scene look good and natural. So the next one is camera motion. It works just with a single frame. Let's try that. Let me show you here. Like this. Make the camera move on one picture, like move up, pan, zoom in, zoom out, and so on. The picture itself does not change, only the camera moves. So next one is a flow motion. Also this one works with 2 frames, moves smoothly between 2 images to make it feel cinematic and flow. Focuses on a smooth movement. And the last one is world motion. Also this one works with just a single frame, brings the space and environment to life in one picture, lighting, depth, and environment. Makes the scene feel real and alive without needing 2 images. So let's try one of them. For example, let's try scene motion and let's upload an image. For example, this one. Choose and click on open and the end frame. Now we have two frame. And also here we have a style option. We can change the style of this photo. So I don't want to do that, and I like to keep the original style. Here, description, you can describe something here about your model. Let's write something here. Slow cinematic camera movements, soft lighting, and realistic shadows. So, and the last option, intensity of the animation, weak, normal, and strong. It's better to try normal and weak. I think it's much better. So at the end, just click on create. As you can see, it's generating. Wait for it. Maybe it takes a few moments. Look at that. In a seconds, we have an animation. That's so great. Let's try another mode, camera motion. Let's try this interior design. So as I told you, it works with just one picture. So here is style. I don't want to change the style. Camera movement, there is different option. Let's try the single. And here let's choose our movement. I'm gonna use zoom in. And animation intensity, let's use normal and click on create. Wow, look here. It makes a stunning animation. That's so cool. Another one in camera motion mode. So as you can see, it's done and it's ready. I think that's so great that just with a single photo, we have a realistic animation. Look at the cars. Now let's try another mode. The first picture. And I forgot to tell you that you can choose the video size from here, horizontal and vertical. Now let's try vertical and the second frame. Then click on create. Well, as you can see, this is ready. I think it's really amazing that you can create such an attractive animation with just one photo. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. You can try different option of the SUAPP AI. That's so cool. I recommend you use it right now. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful for you. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. See you next time.